Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FCEL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, after a little bit of a pullback, FCL back to doing what it had been doing, putting in higher highs and higher lows. So certainly some updates here need to be done. First update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So going into the day, that 1640-ish area was that level of resistance, but now with the price up above there, that would be considered an area of support. But because today was actually such a big move, I'm going to just go ahead and adjust this level up to now what I would consider one of the newest ideal levels of support at 1750. Ideal, meaning for to ask, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? And yeah, ideally speaking, if the price could stay above 1750, that would be a very impressive sign of power. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below that level, that does not mean the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could stay above that area, that would definitely be a great sign of power moving forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword certainly being moving. I get it, the price is way up there, this line's way down there. But as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher, which is very helpful because when it comes to gauging the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you can best visualize that? That is what is being represented. Again, sure, staying above 1750 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as areas of resistance, they truly just don't matter. What do I mean by that? Well, what matters the most is what the price has been doing and then just continues to do, and that's this right here, just building those higher lows, or if you want to envision those as stair steps. So in other words, as long as these stair steps continue to be constructed in the upwards direction, then given enough time, everything else will eventually take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on healthy consolidations, focus on chipping away and building those higher bases, and sit back and let the overall trend do its thing. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.